Hey guys, I'm here with Hayden, who is our wonderful Sparky on the show, and Hayden is from High Pages. So we've just installed a new deck. Hayden, I want to ask you the question, what is the most common electrical problem that you see homeowners make when it comes to installing the great Aussie deck?
A lot of the time the customer will get their deck done, it'll all be nice and new,
Yep.
and then they'll decide they want some deck lights. So they call us in and we have to try to get our cabling through from somewhere
Yep.
To put the lighting in. So you've basically called us in nice and early and got us in before the deck's gone down, so we've
Yep.
been able to run our cables and in turn get the cables in place and save the customer a bit of money rather than having to try to do it afterwards.
Okay, so there you go, folks. If you are thinking about installing a deck, bring your Sparky in before you install the deck. It'll save you a lot of time and money. See you next time.